The overall goal of this procedure is to produce and characterize functional up-converting dye-sensitized solar cells. This is accomplished by first creating a solar cell with a double chamber assembly. The second step is to fill the chambers with electrolyte and the up-conversion solution respectively. Next, perform measurements of the device incident photon-to-current efficiency using a pump light source. The final step is to model the results and use data to confirm the up-conversion effect is real. Ultimately, the experiment allows comparison with other up-conversion devices using a figure of merit.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, such as our previously reported devices, is that this offers a fully integrated device.
This method demonstrates that a liquid up converter can be integrated into a standard photovoltaic device.
Through the characterization aspect of this method, one can provide insight into real versus artifact-based up conversion effects. This can also be applied to other systems, particularly in up conversion enhanced photovoltaics.
We developed a slanted pump beam technique when we realized that our model system wasn't matching our data.
The first step is to prepare a working electrode using a whole sheet of clean fluorine-doped tin oxide-coated glass. The sheet should measure 110 mm square and 2.3 mm thick. To deposit a dense layer of titanium oxide on the sheet, place the dry sheet on a hot plate with its conductive side up. Heat the glass to 450 degrees Celsius. As the glass heats, ready a 1:9 solution of titanium diisopropoxide, bis-acetyl-acetonate, and ethanol in a spray container. Once the glass is at 450 degrees Celsius, spray the solution onto it from a